So I have promised to use my presidency to open up channels for discussion and debate on issues that I believe are of importance to all of us now and into the future. And I want this first seminar to hear your hopes and dreams, and I am inviting you to work together to create a new vision, what I called in my inauguration speech, an Aisling for this country. So our aim is an Ireland where citizenship is based on participation and rights, where the value of a citizen as carrier of those rights is respected. Our country, as you have often heard, and I think is at a time of great challenge, but we should affirm to each other through the seminar that in facing those challenges we now face, we have the ability to transform ourselves and our country. The transformation of Ireland needs the commitment and contribution of our young people. Now more than ever, we need your energy, your ideas, your ideals, your creativity and your courage. And this initiative I'm launching today, this discussion on the kind of country that we want to and can create together, can contribute to the transformation that we seek. So today I'm starting a discussion, and I'm inviting you to join in. The Being Young and Irish initiative seeks to hear the voices of young Ireland, what life is like for you, what's going well, what is not so well, what you would like to change, and how you think that change might happen. And we need you to come forward and share your vision and help us together to build a real republic that provides opportunities, hope and respect for all. If young people in Ireland have inherited a recently bruised, battered and indebted nation, it is also one, I say, that has a legacy of facing immense challenges. So I'm inviting young people to join a partnership of young and old, with each playing their role in transforming ourselves and our island. By listening to its young Irish, their stories and ideas, and by involving them, Ireland has the potential to transform our society in a profound and exciting way. Thank you very much. Garmila Mac.